Yes, children, note down your first question. This is arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Numbers are 123, 145, 116 and 176. Yes, children, note down your first question. Yes, so now we'll start. And children, you will leave one line and then you will write the answer. Okay. So now all these four numbers are there, and if you will look at these numbers carefully, children, you can see in hundreds place one is there, right? So now you cannot tell which number is the biggest and which is the smallest number. So what we will do, we will start comparing the number in tens place first, and if in tens place also numbers are same, digits are same, then we will compare the digits in ones place, right? So now look at your first question. In your first question, numbers are 123, 145, 116 and 176. So we will not compare the number in hundreds place because everywhere we have 1. Now we will be comparing the number in tens place. So here in tens place we have 2, here we have 4, then in next number 116 we have 1, and then in 176 we have here 7 in tens place. Now first we have to see which is the smallest number here. So now we will compare the number 2, 4, 1 and 7. So we know that 1 is the smallest number here. So this means that we will write this number 116 first, right? After that your number will be 123. Then you have to compare number 145 and 176, and we know that 4 is smaller than 7. So your next number will be 145 and then 176. This is how you will arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay. Now you will write your second bit and then again you will leave one line. So your second bit is, note down second question. Yes, note down second question, everyone. 185, 116, 99 and 110. Now among these four numbers you have to see which is the smallest number. Children, always remember that a two-digit number is always smaller than a three-digit number. A two-digit number is always smaller than a three-digit number, and in ascending order, we always arrange numbers from small to big. From small to big. Now, Ayansh, Ayansh.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now you tell me which is the smallest number.
99.
Very good. Children, 99 is the smallest number because it is a two-digit number and remaining all numbers are three-digit numbers. So 99 is the smallest number. Very good. After 99,
110.
110. Very good. Then
116.
116. Very good. And next
185.
185. Very good. That's the correct answer. Very good, Ayansh. Okay. Yes, children, note down answer for second bit. Now, next, third bit. Note down the question. This is 105, comma 111, comma 117, comma 146. Note down third bit. 105, comma 111, comma 117, comma 146. Janvi, you tell me answer for third bit. Which is the smallest number now?
105.
Okay, so 105. Next.
111.
Next.
117. 146.
So this was already arranged in ascending order. Very good, Janvi. Yes, children, note down answer for third bit. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. Come on, children, write down fast. Yes, now I'm clearing all this. Write your fourth bit. One hundred one, comma 189, comma 199, comma 85. Numbers are 101, comma 189, comma 199, comma 85. Brinda, now you tell me answer for fourth bit. Brinda,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, tell me answer. Which is the smallest number here?
The number 95.
Smallest number is 85 because it is a two-digit number. So this is the smallest number here. After 85, then
101.
101, then
189.
189, not 89, 89. Yes, then last
199.
last is 199. Okay, that's the correct answer. Arohi, next you will tell. First note down the question. Note down the question. Note down fifth question, children. Fast. Numbers are 171, comma 155, comma 112, comma 195. These are the numbers. Yes. Now, Arohi, please unmute yourself and then tell the answer. Yes, Arohi, which is the smallest number?
112.
112. Very good. Next. Which number we'll write?
155.
155. Very good. Next.
171.
171. Okay. Next.
195.
195. Very good, Arohi. That's the correct answer. Children, note down this answer. Next, Mana, you will tell. Manha, please turn on your camera. So this is the correct answer. Yeah. Next. Note down next question, Mana, and then you will tell the answer. Numbers are 145, comma 162, comma 101, comma 137. Now you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order, that is from small to big. Manha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now please tell me answer for 6th bit.
145.
No. We will write the smallest number first. Look at the numbers carefully and then tell me the smallest number.
137.
Wrong.
101.
Yeah. Now it's correct, 101. Next, after 101, which number we will write?
137.
Very good, 137. Next,
145.
very good, 145. Then
162.
162. Very good. This is the correct answer. Very good, Mana. Okay. Children, write down answer for this last bit, 6th bit. Write down the answer fast and then we'll move to next. That is arranging numbers in descending orders. Yes, children, now I'm clearing all this. Okay. So now write down, children, you have to write this in a new page. This is arrange the given numbers in descending order. Now you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. You have to write this in a new page. Descending order means you have to arrange numbers from big to small. And note down your first question also. 114, comma 156, comma 128, comma 175. Note down this question also. Now you have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending means from big to small. Yes, Sai Ritvik, you tell me. Answer for first one. Descending orders from big to small. Sai Ritvik, tell. Which is the biggest number? 114, 156, 128, 175.
175.
175. Okay. Then after that,
156.
156. Then
Tell them right. First tell to man.
yes, after that
128.
128. Then
114.
114. Okay, that's the correct answer. Fine, this is the correct answer. Now, next question, second bit. Hanvit,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, tell me answer first. Okay, first note down second question and then tell me answer.
198.
Wrong. I said first note down the question and then tell. Have you noted down the question?
No, ma'am.
Then first note down the question fast and then tell.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, quickly, just 1 minute. Yes, Hanvit, now tell.
198.
198. Then
165.
165. Turn on your camera, Hanvit. Yeah, next after 165. Next number
116.
116 and only one number is left, that is 50.
155.
Not 155, it's only 55. Only 55. Yeah. Now your third bit. Yes, note down third bit. Ketan, note down third bit. Siddharth, next you will tell. Siddharth,
Ma'am.
yeah, have you noted down the question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, note it fast. quickly. Yes, Siddharth, now done? Okay. So now tell me the answer.
191.
191.
185.
Very good. 185.
179.
179.
110.
Very good. 110. Very good, Siddharth. This is the correct answer. Yes, children, write down this. Okay, is there anyone who is still writing? If there is no one, I will clear all this. Yes, children, again I'm asking, is there anyone who is still writing? Siddharth, write fast. Okay, now I'm clearing all this. Now write down your fourth bit. Yes, children, note down fourth bit 166, comma 177, comma 180, comma 122. Now you have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Note down these questions, Sai Joshit. Next is your turn. Write down the question fast. Okay, Sai Joshit, now you tell me answer. Numbers are 166, 177, 180 and 122. Which is
180.
180? Very good.
177.
Very good.
166.
Very good.
122.
Very good. This is the correct answer. Very good, Sajoshit. Now next, fifth bit. Now in next bit numbers are 119, comma 115, comma 105 and then 102. Now we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Arhan,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, now you have to tell me the answer.
119 and 115, 105, 102.
Very good. So we will write these numbers as it is because they are already arranged in descending order. Okay, very good. Yes, children, write down answer for sixth bit. Sorry, fifth bit. Brinda? Brinda?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, have you completed your work till here?
No.
Complete another.
Then
No,
why you
ma'am.
are not writing? Write fast, come on. Write fast. Brinda, write, come on. And again, I'm repeating, most of you people are not at all sharing your classwork and homework with me. Please share your classwork and homework daily. Yes, children, now note down your last bit, sixth bit. So numbers are, in your last bit, numbers are 133, comma 121, comma 187, comma 115. Now you have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Shri Shagvi. Shri Shagvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now tell me which is the biggest number in sixth bit. Tell me the answer. Shri Shagvi. Yesterday,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, yesterday also you didn't give answer. Now tell me the answer. Which is the biggest number now? 133, 121, 187, 115. Which is the biggest number? Compare the number in tens place and then tell. No, you are not telling. Ketan, you tell.